Hello guys, welcome to the second market outlook video. I'm an 18-year-old prop trader and today I'm gonna go over the dollar pairs, the yen pairs, US 500, gold, oil and a little bit more. So let's start on the DXY on the daily. We are swing bullish and we are looking to trade towards these two lows. We got here the breakdown, the break up, and internally we got two breaks up which took liquidity, which makes them strong. There is not much, we are just waiting for the retracement and then to take out some liquidity to get the change of character and to trade down higher. You can already place a buy limit like on the 0.5 pip or on a major liquidity low, so like this on this liquidity low, and just trade it towards the highs. Let's move on to Euro USD. This is kind of the same thing, it's a little bit flipped. We see the break up, break down, and we are in a bearish demand zone. So we just look here for the retracement so we can take the short. Then going to GBP/USD, it's the same. We are actually in a bullish trend on the weekly right here, but with the fundamentals we can just short it down lower with the supply that is in control with the momentum, and same again, just retracement and then sell. We can sell towards these two lows, just kind of take liquidity before doing anything. And yeah, AUD/USD is a great sell also. So we are actually bullish, but we are so overextended, and right now in the past months we moved a little bit sideways, and now the shift in the trend started to happen, and now we are just waiting to get lower prices and to reach the 0.5 pip, and more importantly to liquidate those lows. This is like the final target for me, and I'm already in this position. I'm like this in the position, which is in profit in this daily demand zone. So like this. Then moving on to the yen basket. The yen basket is a little bit stronger right now. It has seen a little bit push, but we just wait for it to reach higher prices and from this liquidity point. Nothing interesting on the lower time frames. It just retraces slowly, going up higher with the trend, with the internal trend, and we are just waiting for a shift to sell it again. Okay, USD JPY. This could play out as a good buy here. I'm just waiting for the liquidation of the lows because we are bullish, and I'm waiting for it to liquidate this low and then give us a change of character. But I'm gonna watch the JPY basket and the DXY to align with me, so possibly we are going to see higher prices a little bit, I mean lower prices. Possibly we can see even this and then the shift. Just wait for them to align, and then you can see the change of character shift on the 4 hour, and we can then buy it up. We are little bit overextended on the USD JPY, and we can be cautious because this right here was the intervention level, but right now with the war I don't think that Japan will intervene as long as the war persists, because right now the JPY is weak, but the USD JPY is seeing too high prices because of the war and because of the strong dollar, and not because of the weak yen, and that's why they won't intervene. Okay, now the GBP JPY. This thing is a little bit stuck. It was a really good demand chain, supply chain, and we could trade it up higher and higher, but now it broke this high, this low in control, and now it's just bearish with this thing in control, this supply zone in control. I wouldn't trade it down lower because there isn't much liquidity in the move, and you would just trade the intervention from the JPY at this point. I think it's just gonna range for some days, so no trade for me. Going to Euro JPY, yeah, it's just the same story. It's just ranging and we shouldn't waste our time with it. Then, let's see, USD CAD, what have we gotten here? USD CAD, it is also a little bit rangy on the higher time frame because it just going down, going up, going down, going up. It's a little bit rangy, but it breaks always out, and I would say it's swing bearish because we got this right here, this bearish line here, and before it was also going down hard, but it's really strong right now because of the strong dollar. Like we got liquidity here, then change of character here internally, so higher prices are possible, and also lower prices are possible. If you break the daily, you can do this and then have low prices, but we could also come here, take liquidity, and see the change of character and move up higher to take out these highs. All very possible. I think I wouldn't trade it because it's a little bit uncertain, but it's okay to trade it. Let's see EuroCAD. EuroCAD is a good sell because it is very overextended. Yeah, no, it's not overextended, it's coming back and it has to continue the trend. It's now at 0.5 FIB. You can just do a swing trade to trade it long. It will be many pips, but it will be a safe trade. Or you could just wait for some development. So we would wait to break this. This is a break up and this is the low, and we would wait to break this and then go into a short, or we wait for it to get a little bit higher prices, reach this demand, or possibly liquidate this demand in itself, and then give us the change of character, and then we could enter. Also, we got GBP CAD in this position myself. This is a nice position. We can look for some more lows. This is just retracing. We are at the 0.5 FIB right here. We already reached it. Then we reached a liquidity high. We reached a strong demand zone, and we saw the change of character on the 4-hour right here, and we created this supply zone. So what we should do is just internally look for the liquidity highs, like here or here, and just wait for the 1 hour change of character if you want to get in a sell again, and then sell on this. With the weaker pound and the stronger cat because of the oil prices, I can really see it going down low. Okay. Next up is USD CHF. It is very overextended, but with the strong dollar, I can just see we can follow this chain of order flow, and just, it's a little bit messy, remove that. I see it just reaching this demand zone that liquidated here before, which makes it strong. And yeah, you just see a retracement, take out some liquidity, and then go up higher. Next up is US 500 or the Nasdaq. It's almost the same. Yes, here I also see higher prices and then the change of character. Let me remove that. So we have to break here. This. So we have another break here, which took liquidity before and confirmed that the shift of the change of character was happening. No, my bad, that the break of structure was happening. So now we got the new 4 hour in control here, this supply zone. We got liquidity here and liquidity here. I'm looking to take this out and trade down lower to reach some more lows, like right here. Eventually the US 500 will come back and it will recover from the war, but right now we just gonna wait it out, and we are going to just trade with the trend down lower. Okay, moving down to gold. Gold is a little bit stuck right now. It was falling a lot in the past time because of oil, and I wouldn't mind trading it right now because it's in nowhere's land. Maybe if it breaks again and does a strong break up, or if it creates like multiple breaks that shows us that we want to trade down higher, I would trade it, but right now it's just a falling knife and we don't want to catch it, and it's overextended here, so we don't want to get in a short either. So we just have to wait and maybe wait for the fundamentals also to align, and then everything will align. And last of all, we got US oil. I'm in this position myself. That's running already into profit. It started out the day bullish, and then it dropped a little bit because of the remarks of Trump. He said he would pull back of the war even if the Strait of Hormuz isn't open, but it's of course only talk. He wants to bring the market down lower, which would be a possibility to buy again on this demand zone, maybe. Like it liquidated this strong. This is a strong low, which did hold, as we see. So here he said it here that he would pull out, but of course he's just lying. and he's preparing for a bigger war with them. And yeah, you could just market order it here and trade it up higher, like maybe with a little bit wider stop loss, and trade it up, because every pullback or every time Trump makes the market artificially go lower because he lies, it's just another opportunity to buy. Like right here, when he put the market down lower, you can just buy again, always. Okay, this was the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment your setups or your thoughts on the market.